Welcome to episode 2 of how to take stunning photos with your mobile. In this video I'm going to talk about 2 important settings in your smartphone that help to improve your photos. A mobile phone's camera app provides different aspect ratios. The 4:3 ratio covers more area than other ratios provided in the app. As you can see here, when I change the ratio to 16:9, the area it covers becomes narrow. The same thing happens with other ratios as well. One of the most common mistakes people make in mobile photography is using 16:9 aspect ratio. When considering the resolution, the 4:3 has the best resolution that your phone provides. Whereas all the other ratios use a lower resolution, which takes a low-quality image. And only 4:3 uses the camera's full sensor, in this case 12 megapixels, which gives a high-quality image. Therefore, always use 4:3 or 3:4 aspect ratios. Having the Gridline switch on in your camera app helps you to plan the shot and to take pleasing photos. All the mobile camera apps provide the option to switch on the rule of thirds Gridline. If you're using a Samsung phone, go to Camera Settings and scroll down to Gridline and toggle it on. As you can see here, the grid lines help to get the horizon straight. I'm not going to go into much detail about the rule of thirds. But keep in mind that it helps to plan your shot.